Hi, this is Junes
ScrawlrBox.
Yeah, Junes ScrawlrBox, and I have my little brother Caden. Say hi.
Hi.
And my little brother Connor with me.
Hi.
Opening it up because they're just curious. So let's open it and find out what's inside.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pull here.
Oh.
Do you wanna pull it?
I will. There you go.
Right. And let's see.
Let's see.
Right, so these are the art supplies. You've not actually seen one of these, you used to.
No.
So these are the art supplies that's inside. So here's the paper.
The paper.
Yeah, so the paper is Bristol board paper. Bristol
paper.
Yeah, so it's extra smooth, bright white paper. Ooh. Feel it? That's nice.
It's white paper.
Yeah, A5, and then we've got the artist.
The artist.
Oh, do you know what that animal is?
No, but I know what that is.
Go on.
A T-Rex. Alien?
No, it's a
Lizard.
chameleon, I think.
Well,
Chameleon. It's got a little crown.
Chameleons don't have sharp teeth.
That's its. I'll show you a picture later of a chameleon, okay? Do you know
A green chameleon.
Yeah, but you've seen Tangled.
I've only seen a green chameleon in school.
We'll watch Tangled. This is by Renata Paton.
Renata Paton.
Shh, 1 second. Right, so this is the featured artist. There's the links, and I will put them in the description.
Yes.
But look at that bright colours. So that gives us an indication of what's inside. So let's see what's inside.
Let's see what's inside this. Can I keep the sticker?
Just 1 second.
Whoa.
So this is the weird thing. Yeah.
So.
Trust you to pick up the sweet. So this is the sweet.
Yeah.
Right. So we've got four markers.
Yeah. Green.
No, wait there.
Oh.
What's that one?
Light green.
It's yeah, good boy. It's a neon yellow.
An orange.
An orange.
Green. A light green.
Yeah, this one's green.
And red. Pink.
Good boy. So they're called Pilot Pintor, and they're medium.
And here is a purple.
This is a Micron 05 fine liner.
Yes.
So it's quite a thick fine liner, that is. And this is going to be black, I'm sure. I don't think it's going to be... It might be blue. We'll test them out on the paper and we'll see what colour it is. So I will turn off the camera and I will open these up and come back to you.
And can we share this sweet?
Yes, we'll share the sweet. We'll share the sweet, okay?
Yay.
Anyway, are you going to say bye now that you've seen it being opened?
Bye. Bye. See.
So here's the
Colours.
the markers outside of the packet, and I've not got it on the board yet. I've got my sketchbook, so we're gonna test them out and pump them.
Yeah, pump them.
Yeah, because if you open them up, Caden,
yeah,
there's no colour there, and you have to shake it.
And then you have to.
And you have to finger.
What?
See, it's the liquid coming.
Look at that. Can I have a go?
So there's the colour yellow.
Yeah.
Right.
Can I have a go on yellow?
There. Sorry. So there's the colour yellow.
Can I have a go, Jade?
Just 1 sec. No, I'll be pumping them up and doing it.
Okay.
You can shake them.
Yeah.
So give that one a good shake. Yeah. Right, and then we're gonna
Do dark green or light.
see colours gradually coming in. There's a circle.
There you can see dark green.
Yeah, like the neon green. Give that one a shake. And it's not, doesn't look like it's marking on the other side yet, so that's pretty cool. This side, I won't blur that out, but yeah. So we're gonna press down.
Press down.
Wow. This one's a lot more work. Oh, we're getting there.
Yes.
There you go. There's neon orange.
Yes.
Right. Shake it with the lid down. Yep.
Done. Let's see if this one works.
There we go. There we go. I think you're shaking it with the thingy up.
Good. I think it's a bit more fun.
They're nice.
Let's try this.
This one is the
Purple.
Yeah. So this one you don't need to shake or anything, Caden. You can just draw.
Draw. Draw. Draw. Draw. Draw. Draw. Draw. Draw. Oh.
Let's see if we draw that, and let's see.
Can I draw with all the colours?
Just wait. Oh, you might need it to dry a bit more. Here's the marker. What I tried to do there is to see if you could have these overlapping.
Yes.
But so you can see, this is what the colours look like.
Yes. You can. Actually, you can see the colours. Because yellow, green, orange,
And pink. And then the colour purple.
Okay.
What?
Now we go on the yellow.
Just let me have a play around with them.
Yeah.
And then you can have a play around. Okay?
Okay.
So I'll do some drawings, some sketches, and while I'm doing some sketches you can have some drawings. So
Yeah.
where's your colouring book?
My colouring book's upstairs. In the
Right,
bedroom.
Caden, get your colouring book and you can do some colouring with some of them, okay?
Yeah.
So now I know that my little brother's gonna take all of my art supplies. Oh my god. But yeah. So let's see. The Electric Dreams. Electric Dreams. I'm gonna read through with the magazine. I should actually use this to test them out on as well, shouldn't I? But I'll do that when I actually find out what I'm going to be drawing. So, because I don't want to waste all the last pad. Because I love it when they bring the pads in, because you have more than just one sheet. So, because I've got the watercolour ones still upstairs because I didn't want to waste them.
Got it.
Yeah. 1 second, Caden. So I didn't want to waste them. So this again will be like that. So I've got more to use. So I'm happy with that. Yay!
I'll find a page.
So I'm going to read through this and then come back to you and see some tips and tricks that the featured artist gives you, and we'll find out some more.
Yeah. See some of our video cameras.
Okay. Alright, so the ScrawlrBox challenge is Electric Dreams. I'm going to write that down. I got my tablet out so I can look up on Pinterest references. But what I'm thinking is like dreams in general. Like if you're thinking up something, so you've got like person here. Very odd looking person. And then they're dreaming. And then this is all nice and colourful. And then this bit would be like black and white, just the purple So just purple here. And then just like the nice bright colours here. That's one of my thoughts. But let's do some just normal drawings for now and let's see what we can do. So
that's dried, so I can jump on it or eat.
See, there's no reference, I'm just drawing right now.
Yeah, you can draw all night.
Let's try this again.
I am gonna bite.
Yep, that's me. Not lazy. I'm in energy saving mode. Like, what dreams have you had lately, Caden?
I've had a dream of T-Rexes.
Ah, so let's try and draw this.
Let's try to draw a T-Rex.
Why has it just gone off? I will pause you while I try and fix this problem. So I've got Pinterest sorted out now. So I've got a board on my Pinterest. I can link that below if you'd like, called Electric Dreams, and there are all the references that I will be using for this. I'm gonna do some drawings. Yeah, but I'm gonna hand over to the voiceover me. Yes. So you can watch, so my little brothers can watch a film, and then you can't hear it and stuff.
Yes.
So
yes, that will be all good, and we're watching Meatballs too.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, so sorry about that. So I'll hand over to voiceover, and I'll get onto some more drawing. So see you to me.
Hey. See ya, video cameras.
Yeah. Hello, here is future me talking to you. Here is where I'm just trying to sketch out some ideas. Past me will sort out the camera very soon so you can see it a lot clearer, but I thought I'd tell you that I am using Pinterest images as a reference, and I have created a board on Pinterest called Electric Dreams, and if you would like to see that, I will link it in the description below if you'd like to take a quick sneak peek of that, or peek, see if you'd like to draw some of it, you can. I struggled a lot with this sketch. I really just couldn't sort out the side view, the face, the proportions, just none of it was right. And I kept on rolling with it. I tried my best, to go with it. And I thought, with this sketch, the person could be dark, the colour purple, and that could contrast with the bright light that she could be holding in her hands. Nice and bright contrast. Yay. Another idea here is, sidebar. I absolutely love reading. Absolutely love it, just as much as I love doing art and creating. So I wanted to draw a person holding a book and, colours flying out the book. And, being all bright and wavy, just 'cause imagination. Woo. this sketch I tried to have the character looking forward, so their back was to the viewer, looking at a bright fantasy escape, just the character being, you know, dark, the purple outline, and just bright colours just around them. Yeah. I teleported to another place called my granddad's, but I still wanted to draw, so I was doing a little bit of drawing. So here I am, and I wanted to test out the colour scheme for the last idea that I had, because that one just seemed, in my opinion, to be the best. So this was just me trying out colours and seeing where it took me. I also wanted to add colour to some of the other ideas that I had, just in case that, you know, pushed me and gave me a different spur thought to a different direction. You know, just adding a bit of colour to something could change and rotate everything. So I did that. So this is me dotting around with colour. I teleported back home, and this is me going straight back to doing the art and just, you know, trying testing out the actual marker and the pen on the right paper, the paper that ScrawlrBox gave me, and I noticed that these colours were just a lot brighter against this white. It just wow, like the colours was just wow on this. So, and I also did a few sketches testing out some more before I actually, you know, went to do the actual final piece. And I've been trying out different hairstyles, and I've kind of narrowed it down to the plaited hairstyle, textured, and I thought I liked it plaited with straight hair, so half plait, half down, straight, you know, wavy, just looked quite nice. And while doing the sketching, another idea popped into my head where the character would be upside down, you know, like upside down, the hair flowing down. And I want the hair to be like bright and colourful, flowy down, whereas the character itself would be the purple liner, nice clean, and the hair just bright. So and I tried it bigger, using more of a reference from Pinterest. I strolled quite a bit, but it's always the thought that counts. But yeah, like there was just some details that just wasn't working with this one, but it was quite nice-ish. I chose to go with the girl looking toward the bright colourful land. I wanted to make sure that I used the right colours for each different section, and that's why I've gone back to my sketchbook to make sure that I just get stuff right in my head. And here we go, I'm starting the actual drawing here. So, and I've got this. This is what I was thinking at the time. I've got this. I can do this. We can do this. And I had trouble here, like a lot of trouble, and I really did try my best to ignore it and just, you know, let it go. Just don't worry. But I had to do something, and I really didn't know what to do, and I really didn't want to mess it up because I thought I'd done so well, in my opinion, up to this point. So I was so hesitant a lot here of what to do and procrastinated a lot at this point. But we'll get there. I finally done it. I finally got there, and I decided to just leave it blank. Just raise up the border. Now it looks more like a Polaroid. Polaroid, is that's what they're called? The old Polaroid pictures. And I quite liked it, to be honest. The end product, I quite liked it. It looked quite nice. And now I'm going back to drawing. Here we are at the end of this video. This is all of what's inside of the Junes ScrawlrBox and what I created and how I used it. Hopefully, if the video and the voiceover are in sync, this is my picture of my final piece, and then I will show you my little brother's final picture, which he drew a dinosaur. And I hope that you liked this video. Please like and comment. Bye.